Come test drive the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, bucket seats, passenger airbag, MP3 player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.